Hey guys, this is slime part 2. We add our glue. Get your paint. Add it in. Now, it should look a bit like this, or glitter. And you just mix it in the big end.
Ready?
Just mix and mix. Until you can add more paint. Add more paint or glitter if you like. So I don't know if you can see it, but
Is that enough?
my colour's got to do a little bit. That's my
Looks
colour.
like diarrhea, mine does.
Show it to the audience what green looks like if you have that instruction.
That's green if you want green.
No. You
Maybe
keep
I can take it off.
mixing. It just now thumbs up and bell icon. Subscribe.
Okay, how do you get it off?
Comment down below if you want to do more. And if you want me to feature my sister in any more. So now you grab it.
Can we do fluff?
Go to this. No.
Okay, yeah,
Go
can we
over
do
to the sink. Pour more this amount in.
Okay, dear.
So I filled it up to this line here. I don't know if you guys can see. But I filled it up to the line. Just there. Right, Lexi, keep passing me a tissue. Right, so we put tissue underneath our work surface now. So you just add this in little by little. So I add like a couple of drops in to start off with. It's like a little layer on the top.
Okay, can I do that?
Yeah.
Can you put it in?
See, the thing is we've got to share our activator. So it just gets a little bit hard.
Can you pour that in mine, please?
I'm just going to add a little bit more. Add a little bit to my sister's. And we're just going to mix it. It does look a bit gross. I don't know if you can see. I'm just going to lift the camera up so you guys can see it. It doesn't look too pleasing. So if it looks like this, I would say you're doing it right, but we don't know yet.
Okay, dear.
This is not my first time making it, by the way, guys.
Look.
Yeah, and
Is it good?
yeah, I'd say so.
I like the colour of it.
This is my sister's second time making it, so she's not that great at it.
The first time I ruined it.
Yes, you ruined it. She wanted to add some foam to it. She added way too much paint and a lot. It just didn't work. So this is mine, guys, when it's on the spoon. I'd say, yeah, it's coming together. Yeah. And it's working for us now, guys.
It's working for me, my first time.
So now I'm just going to add some more activator. Now we're going to add some more activator.
When I'm older, I'm going to make a slime shop.
And now mix it all up again. And keep mixing and mixing.